everybody, thank you so much for joining me today on Elegant Beauty TV. Today what we're going to do is straighten my hair. As you can see from the title, I just wanted to update you guys on the process. If you would, please give me a like for the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's just get right on into it, y'all.
So I'm going to start out with sectioning off my freshly cleansed hair. As you saw in the beginning of this video, I used the Giovanni line that I found at TJ Maxx. And what I usually do is separate my hair into 4 sections. Also, what I've been doing lately is using the hosiery style like hair ties, and I like them a lot better than the regular. So then I'm just going to use this tried and true thermal spray from Organics. I love this stuff. It smells so good, and it also allows my hair to dry super fast. You just don't want to put too much product in your hair because it will kind of feel like weird if you put too much in it. And then I'm going to just start blow drying. I like to use this blow dryer. This is the Silver Bird blow dryer from Sally Beauty, I believe. I've had this for forever. And yes, I duct tape my attachment on because your girl got some thick hair. So I like to use this on high heat, high air, just because it's quicker and I'm lazy and I don't want to sit here for hours doing my hair. So that's just what I do. Now, if you're concerned about heat damage, then you probably don't want to use high heat. Oh goodness, hold on one second, y'all. Okay, I am back. So yeah, once I blow dry my hair out, I'm going to use this ETAÉ BUTTERSHINE. It's kind of like, I guess it's shea butter. It is amazing. I use about that much, so just about the size of my fingernails, and I rub it through and smooth out my hair and put it in a really tight bantu knot. And I do this while the hair is still kind of warm. I just feel like it helps. And so I'm going to use this Brilliance New York straightener. I turn it all the way up and then I'll turn it down a little bit once I go to straighten my hair. So this is my hair completely blow dried and bantu knotted up. I kind of like this style. You could honestly just leave it like this, but I want my hair to be a little bit straighter at the roots. So I'm going to go over it with the straightener a couple times on my roots and then just curl the ends. I'm going for like a voluminous, like Hollywood glam style curl. So I just curl it under in the back, and then as I get closer to the front of my face, I curl away from my face. But you'll see that later on in the video. I've had this straightener for a really long time and it still works really well. It's definitely worth it. It's not, compared to other brands, I don't think it's like an outrageously expensive straightener, but I will link it in the description if you're interested. You can see here that I am putting some extra ETAÉ BUTTERSHINE on my edges just because that part of my hair is really thin and kind of fragile, so I want to protect it as much as possible. And I'm just going to continue that process throughout my whole entire head. And you can see as I curl it at the ends for some of the curls, I'll just go and kind of like form the curl with my fingers, like just kind of clump them together. Alright, so now I'm just showing you that there are 3 different options. Once you finish straightening your hair, you can go in with a beauty oil. I love this oil from Beauty and Planet. Or you can go in with a serum. This one is from Giovanni. It was $5.99 at TJ Maxx, which I love as well. Or you could do a hair mist. This one is also from Giovanni from TJ Maxx, and I honestly prefer the serum and the hair mist over the oil, so that's what I used here. It all just depends on your preference and your hair type, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. It's very shiny and I love how the curls just kind of like that classic Hollywood glam style kind of in the front. So that's what I was going for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. And I'll see you next time.